Hey guys, you won't believe how easy this peanut butter recipe is. Only 3 ingredients and 5 minutes to perfection. Let's see how it can be made. First, we roast 1 cup of peanuts. Then you have to peel it. Peanut butter can be a healthy snack if eaten in moderation and has many potential health benefits. Peanut butter contains omega-6 fatty acids which can help blood sugar, cholesterol and blood pressure level. It contains arginine and amino acid. It contains vitamin E, an antioxidant that can help protect of skin from damage. It may help with weight management, brain management, bone health and digestive health. Then you have to peel it. Then bliss. About 1-2 minutes. First become a crumbly mixture and second time we bleach, then a thick paste and eventually turn into a smooth creamy peanut butter. Add a pinch of salt to taste. Add sweetener of your choice like honey, jaggery or sugar. Here I have added jaggery powder. Here I have added 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder also. You can add cocoa powder to make it tastier. Blend again until everything is well incorporated. So say goodbye to store-bought. Homemade is the way to go. Thanks for watching.